Stock market tips that can work for anyone. Whether you would like to work from home, supplement your income, or put your finance degree to use, investing in the stock market has many benefits for anyone who chooses to participate. Watch this video for some great tips on how to pick stocks and make the most profits with investments. Keep it simple can apply to stock market investment. Trading, making predictions, or examining data points should all be kept simple. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. Remember that stock prices are reflections of earnings. In the short-term immediate future, market behavior will fluctuate depending on news and rumor and the emotional responses to those, ranging from enthusiasm to panic. In the longer-term picture, however, company earnings over time wind up determining whether a stock price rises or falls. Choose the top stocks in multiple sectors to create a well-balanced portfolio. Even while the entire market expands on average, not every sector will grow each year. By maintaining investment positions in various sectors, you can grab some of the growth in hot industries, regardless of whether it's in small caps, internationals, or blue chip companies. Routine recalibration of your portfolio can help mitigate losses from poorly performing sectors, while keeping your options open for when those industries begin to improve. Staying informed, determined, and patient is very important for anyone who would like to invest in the stock market. Although it can be a very profitable venture, stubborn or inflexible people won't do very well. Remember the tips in this video, so that you can start profiting from the stocks today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest, and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.